আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বেকার হোটেল চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। বিগত চাকরি পরীক্ষায় আসা সকল প্রশ্ন ও তার সমস্যার সমাধান নিয়ে আলোচনার ধারাবাহিকতায় আজকের বিষয় ৩৩তম বিসিএস প্রিলিমিনারিতে আসা ইংরেজি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ থেকে সকল প্রশ্ন শুরু করা যাক। পিক অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট পজিশন। Noreen will discuss the issue with Nasir over phone. Option B, over phone. Put appropriate preposition. Some writers sink dash obligation in course of time. Option D, into obligation in course of time. Call to mind means C, remember, স্মরণ করা. Pass away means die. Pick the right word that is synonym with authoritarian. Autocratic. The word permissive implies liberal. Pick the correct word to fill in the gap. Each of the sons followed his father's trade. Option D, his father's trade. Subject verb agreement refers to number and person. The only error in the sentence, one of the recommendation made by the committee was accepted by the authorities is recommendation. উপরের লাইনে ভুল আছে কোনটিতে? recommendation. The French refers to the French people. A, if a person cannot stop talking drugs, he or she is addicted to them. Option C, addicted to them. The word officials means language used in offices. Language used in offices. The verb succumb means submit. Fill in the blank with the appropriate option. We look forward dash a response from you. We look forward dash a response from you. Option A, to receiving a response from you. The expression take into count means consider. Option B, take into count means consider. Choose the best translation of কর্তৃপক্ষ যাকে তাকে তিরস্কার করলো from the alternative below. The authorities took him to task. The authorities took him to task. Option D. Such claim needs to be tested empirically. Suggested that the test should be based on experience. Option C. The test should be based on experience. The idiom put up with means tolerate. Put up with means tolerate. In many ways, riding a bicycle is similar to driving a car. Option A, driving a car.